Hello everyone, so our next topic is division of polynomial by another polynomial. So here we already know that how to solve trinomial expression, so that we have to use here. First let's take one example. So we are having one example that 3x square minus 4x minus 15, that you have to divide it by x minus 3. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to solve first this trinomial expression. This one we are going to solve first. This x minus 3 we are having. Okay, so how can you solve this one? First you have to multiply this two. We know that, no? What we have to do, every time we have to find out the multiplication of AC. So this one is A and this one is C. So you have to multiply this one. That means 15 threes are. So 15 threes are 45. We have to break 45 like that. When you multiply it, you will get 45, but when you add or subtract, you will get -4. So I'm going to break this one as 9 5s are. So you will get 9 5s are 45, but what we want -4. So that means we have to give minus sign with 9. Okay, now what you have to do, split the number. Okay, split the middle number. So that I am going to write 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15, and after that you have to write x minus 3. Okay, then the next one is I'm going to remove 3 common. Okay, so take 3 common, 3, and we can take x also here in between these two terms. So I'm going to take 3x common. So here 3 we already taken, x we have taken, so what we are having, only x we are having, and here we have taken 3, and here we have taken x also. So that means you will get x minus 3 plus 5 and 15. So you can take 5 common. So in bracket you will get x minus 3 upon x minus 3. Now as you can see, this bracket and this bracket, we are having same bracket. So what we can do, we can write this bracket one time. That means x minus 3. Okay, and the remaining one in another bracket, that means 3x plus 5, and this one is divided by x minus 3. So x minus 3 gets cancelled. Okay, so now what will you get? Your answer will be 3x plus 5. So our final answer will be what? Our final answer will be 3x plus 5. So this is the method to divide a polynomial by another polynomial.